I'm getting a close-up of everyone right now.
Wow, you did.
That's cute.
Plus their mama. So yeah, we're chilling in the ping pong club, and I'm bored, so I broke it out. Do you guys like YouTube?
What?
Do you guys like YouTube?
No.
Oh. Well, I just got denied. Really? I'm just watching his head jiggle. You know this thing's worth like heck of money right now.
Are you stealing it?
No.
Dude, I have all the sets.
Like we always do at this time, I go for mine, I get to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. I go for mine, I get to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky.
I'ma get on the TV, mama. I'ma push this shine. Hey, 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 hey. Welcome to the good life. What's it get to say?
School after hours. Is that a fungus? Is anyone authorized to take my camera if they see it?
No.
Okay, good.
We should just set up a booth at lunch, and it just says, donate $1 to help ping pong club. And then anybody that just wants to donate $1, since there's almost like 2,000 kids on campus, if half of them donate $1, we have $1,000.
Alrighty, well, we should poker it up or something.
Yeah, we should poker tonight.
Alright, see you guys later.
Bye.
Ghost ride the vlog. Ghost ride the vlog. Ghost ride the vlog. Ghost.
Hey yo, Bobby, I'm not liking the way you rolling them taquitos, man.
What you trying to say?
I'm just saying, man. They ain't looking right to me. They ain't looking right.
So let me get this straight. After all these years you been my brother, you just now saying you don't like how I fold my taquito. Is that what you trying to say?
Well, I don't know, Bobby. Maybe that's exactly what I'm trying to say.
You can't say that. You can't say that, man. No. That's the last straw. That's the last thing I'm gonna let you get away with. So I'ma count to 3. 1, 2,
And then he spanks him in the face.
3.
So I just got a haircut, right? This lady next to me was getting her thing done, and the girl who's doing her hair is doing her thing, and then sneezes on her. It wasn't cute either. It wasn't just a little it was like, you know, the Dane Cook sneeze, you know, like Fluh! Yeah, not that bad, but she sneezed on her freaking hair, and I was like, are you gonna say anything? She was an elderly woman, about like 30 years old. I was like, come on, if someone did that to me, I'm standing up, I'm getting me a free haircut and free coupons or something. But hey, you know, if she likes that kind of hair gel, can't stop her.
Made in America.
Alright, ping pong stuff. We'll see you next week, and I'll see you guys next week as well for this dumb vlog thing I do. That concludes this video. So, yeah, deuces.